Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechPra. So in this video I will unbox a wireless mouse that's from Safari. So let's see. So here's some advertisements of a laptop stand, travel adapter, etc. Here you can see. Totally it cost 600 rupees. So here's a picture of Manish Paul. So you can read here, something is written, some advertisements are given. So let's keep it aside. Then open the mouse. This is the mouse. Here is written Safari and a picture of Manish Paul. So here's come one battery. That's 1.5 volt. It will come with the mouse, then one mouse and the USB Wi-Fi connector. That will be fully wireless. You have to just connect it to your PC. First insert the battery. You can see the light has been grown. The light has glowed. So this is the mouse. So let's connect it to the PC. It is connected. So I will not show by opening the computer. So please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Namaste.